students. Myself Jasmine Ahmed, your educator for information technology for the code 402. So today I am here with another session for class 10. In this session, I will discuss database management system. In database management system, the chapter is starting with LibreOffice base. Okay, already I have discussed various chapters. So as board exam is very near, so I thought of discussing all the question answer only. Okay, after that I'll start with all this all the concept also very soon. So the first one is multiple choice question. Which of the following is not a type of text data type? So there are various data type. The data that we insert in our table, the type of the data of various type text, alpha, then numbers, then alphanumeric. Okay, so which of the following is not a text data type? We all know memo, varchar, char. These are all text data type, but float is not text data type. Float is which kind of data type? It is numeric data type. Okay, next one, a currency data type can only store monetary data that is in dollar. It is mentioning that currency data type can only enter dollar monetary. No, it is not at all true. It is a false statement. We can enter any kind of dollar is it is a currency, right? So we can enter any country's currency. Okay, which of the following data can a data type store? Which of the following data can a date data type store? Date data type it is mentioning. So date data type can store date also, time also. So both time and date. Okay, which of the following is true about LibreOffice base? True about LibreOffice base. First of all, let me eliminate the false statement. It is a spreadsheet software. It is absolutely wrong. It is not spreadsheet. Data LibreOffice base, it is a base database, right? And it is talking about spreadsheet, so it is a false statement. It can store only character data. Already I have discussed, it can store any kind of data. It can store numeric data, it can store alphanumeric, it can store alphabets, tags. Okay, it is not true. Then it is a licensed software. Yes, it is a licensed software. It is not a licensed software. Okay, it is a free. It is a free. So it is also a wrong statement. It is not a licensed software. So the correct one is it is free and open source. These both statement, option number B and option D, is contradicting each other, right? So it is true statement. Next one is which of the following method can be used to create a table in base? So we know, we have learned that to create a table we can use the table wizard. We can use the design view also. Both way we can create a table. Not we can create a table using query also. So both the statement A and statement B is correct. The related object of a database can be seen in dash pane of the base database window. In the database window, whenever we open the first window, what happened? We have the entire interface. In that interface we have a database pane where we can see all the related object of our database. Okay, and these are what? These are the menu. Then which of the shortcut key, which is the shortcut key to open an existing database? Already we have created a database, we have saved it. So to open that existing database, which option is used? Control plus O. The design view of a table creation window in LibreOffice base is divided into, we all know that the design view is divided into two sections, right? In the topmost section, there are the table, whatever table you want to add. In the second section, what is written? The field properties. All the properties of the field is available. So while entering record in a table, record means all the information that are inserted in the row, all the information that are inserted in a row. This is a table. This is a table. So in this table, what you do, you insert For example, this is name column, this is name column, this is address column, this is contact number, then this is date of birth, and this is, for example, your father's name or class, you can say class. Okay, class. So this is contact number, this is contact number. So in all this column, what happened, we enter the information, we enter the information here, here, then here we enter the information. So the question is asking, while entering record in a table, record means the entire information in the row, entire information cumulatively, this is known as the record. All the information in the row is known as what? Record. This is known as what? Record. Okay, record. So we can move to the next field by pressing the dash key. So after inserting information in this particular cell, if you want to move to this particular cell, then which key is used? So we all know by pressing the tab key, we can move from one cell to another. In spreadsheet application also, to move from one in that particular row, to move from one cell to another, we use this tab key. Okay. Next one, which of the following is true about primary key? True about primary key. That means you have to find out the true statement. Every table must have a primary key. Very true. If you will not define primary key in a table, for example, in this table, if you will not define primary key to any of the field, then this table will have duplicate information, right? So duplicacy is not allowed in our database. So this is one key concept. So for that reason, we have to apply, we must have a primary key in every table. A data value in primary field cannot be duplicated. It is very true. It is the feature of primary key that the primary key field can't have duplicate data. A primary field cannot be left blank. Whatever, which one, for example, in the name column, in the name column, for example, you have insert primary key, you have given primary key. Okay, so you can't leave blank, you can't leave blank and enter information in all this particular cell. So this particular column should have information, should have information, otherwise it will not work. So all of these statements are true, that primary key must, in every table we must have primary key, the data value in primary key cannot be duplicated, a primary key field cannot be left blank, all of the above. So the next one is true or false. The text data can contain special character. Yes, special characters are can be inserted in our text data type. Special character means the asterisk symbol, at the rate, hash, all these are known as the special symbol characters. Memo data type can be used to store descriptive data. It is very true. Memo data type, it is the text data type. It is used to store descriptive data type. Boolean data type can have two or more than two values. No, it can't have two or more than two values. It can have only two values, either 0 or 1, true or false, yes or no. Only two values. Okay, we cannot store audio data in LibreOffice space. If we can't store audio data, for example, let me take one situation that you are uploading some videos or you are uploading some audio, okay, mp3. So when this mp3 will be stored, if the data type is not used in database, then how you will be able to store the audio? For example, someone is singing something and uploading somewhere. If that particular if database will not have audio data type, then how that particular song can be uploaded? It is not possible. So for that reason, it is a false statement. In database, audio is available. The property of field change according to the data type selected. Yes, the property of the field change according to the data type. Okay, true. Field description may or may not be entered while designing a table. While designing a table, field description can be entered or it may not be available also. It is a true statement. This icon is pressed to move to the last record. This is showing in which direction? This is showing in which direction? The arrow is in which direction? The arrow is in this direction, right? So this direction means I'm in a blank space. So this direction means what? We are moving to the first previous section, previous or to the first section. It is asking about the last record. Last record means the arrow will be of this direction. So it is a false statement. Then this pencil appears when the record is being edited. It is true, this pencil appears. A table once created in a database cannot be edited. It is a false statement. Our data can be updated, our data can be modified, everything can be done in a table. So it can be edited. It is a false statement. Sort dialog box can only help to sort data in ascending order. It is false. Sorting helps to sort the data in ascending also, in descending order also. It is a false statement. Next, fill in the blanks. All the highlighted portion are the blank area. I have written the answer here. A data type refers to the type of data that will be stored in that particular field. So this is the definition of data. Whatever data you are inserting, the type of data, that is termed as data type. Okay. The text data is a combination of letter, character, and special character. So alphanumeric, ultimately alphanumeric. So it is a combination of letters also, numbers also, special character also. Text data type can be used to store Aadhaar number. Yes, already you have discussed text data type can be used to store Aadhaar number. So numeric can also be used to store Aadhaar number. Okay. The binary data type used to store digitized image. Yes or no? As binary means 0 or 1, right? So digitized image, if you want to store digitized image, then it use which type of data type? Binary. The shortcut key to save a table is Control S. We all know this from very beginning. Task pane on the base interface window displays information about the type of view of the object in the database. Task pane. A key icon appears before the field name indicating that it is primary key. In whichever field you have applied the primary key, in that particular field, what happened? The key icon appears. Okay, that means it is referring you that this field have primary key. The data can be entered in a table only in datasheet view. Only in datasheet view you can enter the data in a table. Okay, so this is the end of today's class. In next session I will discuss there are two more questions. The black pointing arrow just before the field name in a table is called what? Is called record pointer. The process of arranging the data in particular order on any field, on any, it is actually the spelling is wrong, on any field is called sorting. Arranging the data either in ascending order or in descending order is known as what? Sorting. Okay, then answer the given question. This portion I will discuss in next class. So I'm ending today's class here. I hope this will help you for your exam, students, because all the portion have all the definition: what is primary key, what is data type, then what is record, what is and the next, already we have discussed in our previous class about the terms, terminology that are used in database, right? So I hope this will help you for your board exam. So I will bring more such videos for you all so that it can be helpful for you in this last moment. So dear students, keep study, do your best, give your best. So, and also if my channel is helping you all, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like the video if you really like it, and don't forget to give a comment because your feedback is very much important for me. So thank you students, bye bye, see you in the next class. Okay.